User session tracking is one way of detecting abnormal behavior in your system. So let's explore some of the possibilities here. I can see that I have a Coralogix bot use case here, which was pretty interesting. It lasted for 14 minutes, which is kind of cool. We see it's located in Israel, the browser, number of pages that were explored, and number of errors. So I can open this up here, and I can break down exactly what was going on. I can see lots of errors, lots of clicks, all sorts of different things going on. And this is pretty interesting. So because I know it's a bot user, it may flag up as some interesting behavior, and I may want to explore this further. So one thing I can do is I can look at resources and how they downloaded. I can look at the errors that occurred as part of this user session. I can look at the logs associated with this, or as part of Coralogix RUM, I can even replay the session. So we can see here, if I press play, it's going to show me exactly what was done as part of this platform, which is genuinely remarkable. So it's going to click around and show how users were using this. Now I can see from the way the mouse is moving, from the way the page is loading, that this was probably a real user. Real users tend to move the mouse around in all sorts of different ways. We can see on the right hand side this really amazing breakdown of all the events that occurred. We can see that it sits here, that scrolling happened and all sorts. So all of this is an indication to me that this was a real user. It would be very, very challenging to make this assessment without this data, without this qualitative view of the data. So this is a really powerful way of showing off just how Coralogix can help you not just explore your backend data, not even just track errors and quantitative information in the front end, but see exactly what the user was doing as they were doing it. This is amazing because it helps you differentiate when you're not sure if someone was a bot or not, or something should be blocked, or maybe a user is complaining that they were blocked by some of your automation. You can go and see precisely what they were doing and understand in detail how they interacted with your website.